In this video, we will assess numerical operator precedence. What happens when we have more than one operator in our equation? In which order are the operators processed? Let's head over to PyScripter and check it out. I'm going to create an equation. 5 plus parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we'll have 10 divided by 2. We'll follow the parentheses with minus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. What would you expect this equation to return? We have 5 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Minus 2 is 10 minus 2, which is 8. Multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2 is 100. So we have 8 multiplied by 100, which is 800. If I hit enter, we can see we got far from 800. So what exactly happened here? Operator precedence follows the PEMDAS order. P for parentheses, E for exponentiation, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. However, multiplication and division have the same precedence, as does addition and subtraction. Operators with the same precedence are evaluated from left to right. This knowledge lets calculate our equation once more. We know that parentheses come first. In here we have 10 divided by 2, which we know is going to be 5.0 because we have not used floor division. Next is exponentiation. So our 10 to the power of 2 becomes 100. Our multiplication is next. So minus 2 multiplied by 100 is minus 200. We are now left with addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction have the same precedence, so we evaluate from left to right. So we have 5 plus 5.0, which is 10.0, minus 200, which gives us our minus 190.0. In this video, we took a look at numerical operator precedence. It is not simply reading from left to right. Operator precedence follows the PEMDAS order. Parentheses, exponentiation, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. We know that multiplication and division have the same precedence, as do addition and subtraction, and operators with the same precedence are evaluated from left to right.